And now, here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, Tampa Bay, Manila Eats, thank you so much. Put your hands together to the Diva Dings, Gio and Bo Carnation.
Hello, Tampa! Hello, hello!
Hello! Hello! Hi! I'm high.
Baby, look at me and tell me what you see. You will see the best of me, yeah. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest. I got more in me, and you can set it free. Kumanta ka. Remember my life, I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. People will see me and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my name. Remember, 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 remember.
Change position. Change position.
Baby, hold me tight, 'cause you can make it right. You can shoot me straight to the top. Give me love and take all I got to give. Baby, I'll be tough. Too much is not enough. I can travel my heart till it breaks. Really gotta want it take. Remember the night. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I feel it coming together. People will see me and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. 'Cause baby, remember my name. Remember, 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 remember.
Ay, bakit pa naantayin niyo sa akin, sir? Mukhang may gusto kayo sa akin, ah. Mukhang sanay kayo sa bakla, ah. Ha?
I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I'm really coming together. 'Cause baby, remember my name. Remember, 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 remember. I'm gonna live forever. 'Cause I'm gonna learn how to fly. I'm really coming together. People will see me and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. 'Cause baby, remember my name.
Yes.
Mga
Good
aga-aga.
evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening.
Welcome to Manila Eats. Yeah, welcome. We would like to introduce ourselves. We are my name is Bo Carnation.
My name is Gio.
And we are the #1 singing comedian duo in Los Angeles.
Why are we #1?
Because we are the only one.
That's why we are #1.
Yes. The others are in the nursing home already. There are a lot of good-looking guys
I know.
tonight.
Masyadong
Oo.
mabase talaga to.
Kaya lang ang daming babae, shit. Di ba?
Salta ka nga.
Ang popogi nito mga to, oh.
Yes.
Ito may gusto sa akin.
Si Kuya,
Kung makatitig sa akin.
alam mo,
gusto.
mahilig kami sa kalbo talaga.
Oo.
Oo.
Sir, okay lang ako, sir. May asawa ka na?
At si katabi niya.
single ka?
Sino ba talaga? Ito. Ito si Kuya.
Oo, kasi gusto ko to baka naka-SSI
Single
na
siya.
ito.
Kiss mo, single pala eh.
Baka malaki ng insurance ito. Ito, bubuhayin ko pa to, punyeta. Oo. Yes. Asawa mo yan? Ba't sinama mo pa? Charot lang. Oo. Pero si Sir, ito ang type ko ngayon.
May mga type mong ganyan.
Okay. Gusto ko kasi ganyan ang mga type ko, yung medyo matured na.
Matured na, hindi masyadong... wala, katantaman lang yung itsura niya. Hindi masyadong pogi, hindi masyadong pangit.
Oo.
Sakto
hindi,
lang.
gwapo yan ang mga type ko. Kasi, di ba nag-boyfriend ako ng bata? Yung bata, gagamitin ka lang.
Tama.
Bibigyan namin ng pera ang batang lalaki, pero pag binigyan mo ng pera, ibibigay din dun sa babae. Di ba?
Totoo naman.
Lugi tayo, salot yung mga babae sa buhay natin.
Bakit?
Bibigyan mo ng bakla, yung pera yung babae, bibigyan. Buti na lang may parlor.
Bakit?
Pag nagpa-parlor yung babae, balik din sa bakla ang pera.
So, paikot-ikot lang tayo.
Oo. Aminin na po namin, ha? Masyadong maaga pa.
Masyadong maaga yung chika mo.
Hindi, amitin na natin.
Na ano?
Na ganyan ang mga type natin.
Oo.
Yes.
Kahit iwan mo niya sa bangko, hindi yan kukunin.
Uy,
Wait, charot lang, sir. Uy, baka sponsor natin to, ha?
sponsor yan.
Oo.
Baka
Sorry po, sir. Sorry po.
Ito ang table ng mga mayayaman.
Talaga ba?
Only for Edna Leo Duran. Aba Cares Party of 8.
Yes.
So, hindi pwedeng dagdagan. 8 lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bawal magdagdag dito, ha? Kasi ito ang ating special group, special
Hello
guest.
po.
At saka si ma'am, nakita mo naman, napakaganda. Hello, ma'am.
Ito pala si Madam Eva.
Madam Eva, good evening sa'yo. Hindi halata mo naman pag mayaman.
Pag mayaman, simple lang talaga.
Simple lang yan. Pag tumawa yan, ganun lang, di ba?
Ganun lang.
Ganun
Tawa
yan.
lang.
Oo.
Paano pag mahirap ang tawa?
Pag mahirap, pag natawa, ganon, di ba?
Ganon.
Pagka medyo mayaman, ganyan yan,
Pag mayaman, balikat, di ba? Ganun
pag
lang.
mayaman, ganyan.
Ganun lang. Tapos mamaya, pag masyadong kumain ng baboy, na-stroke na pala.
Pero si ma'am,
Charing lang.
ito mukhang mayaman din.
Talaga?
Ito mukhang nananampal lang katulong eh. Oo. Yes. Magkakaroon po tayo ng biruan, ha? We're
Yes.
just gonna give you
Comedy and laughter
Yeah.
tonight.
Magkakaroon po tayo ng biruan. Let's just ask something. Is there anybody here who cannot speak Filipino?
I
Anybody?
think we have one.
You, one. Who else?
Anybody else?
Two. Three. Okay.
Three.
That's your problem. Yeah. You come here, you adapt, huh? We don't English very well, huh?
Yes, especially her.
Yeah, especially you. Yeah, yeah. We can only speak English in the next maybe 5 minutes. After that, we're gonna have a brain damage, huh?
Yes.
So tell them, just adapt to the situation.
Yeah, just adapt to the situation. The only thing that we can advise to you is to follow the reaction of the Filipinos.
Yes.
Yeah, if you see them clap, you clap along. Yeah, if you see them laugh, you laugh along as well. But if you see them giving money, you should give more.
Yes.
Because that's our Philippine tradition, graft and corruption. Just kidding.
And if you see the Filipinos stand up and run,
Yes.
you also run.
Bakit?
There's fire. Charot.
But that's the reason why we called it fire exit. Let the fire exit.
Yes, yeah. Okay, and we're gonna do some jokes. I hope you don't mind. We do some,
Yes, kasi marami napipikon na minsan, di ba?
Kasi maraming napipikon. Minsan nag-show kami kahapon, napikon.
Tapos?
Inabangan kami sa labas.
Tapos?
Hindi naman siya nagtagumpay.
Bakit?
Kasi doon kami sa venue natulog. Oo. So kung may mapipikon sa amin at mapipikon at maambangan kami sa labas, hindi kayo magtatagumpay.
Tama, oo.
May kwarto na kami dito naka-ready na.
Wala kaming pakialam kung mayaman kayo or may estado sa buhay. Pantay-pantay tayo lahat dito. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Pero kung gusto mo patunayang mayaman na mayaman ka, umorder ng marami. Mamigay ng pera sa mga bakla. Mamigay ng tips sa mga waiters. Pag mahirap po kayo, huwag masyadong gagalaw, baka makabasag. Ha?
Yes.
At umuwi ng maaga.
Yes. What?
Charing lang.
Di naman. Ito naman. Sensitive si ate.
Ay, sorry po.
Teka lang, mukhang may mamimigay na kaagad ng pera.
Ay, teka lang.
Ay, akala ko.
Agad-agad si Ava?
Ava, wag
Ano
ka
ba
ganyan.
yan?
Hindi pa kami ready, Ava. Nag-start pa lang kami.
Wala ka pa yung 10 minutes pa?
Umuhugot na kasi.
I know.
Kala ko humuhugot na ng pepper spray. Yes, okay.
Oo, may problema naman.
Yes.
No? And,
Let's sing another song for
Let's
them.
sing another
We're gonna
song.
sing an original Filipino song. This is a very beautiful song from the movie Bakla, Bakla, Bakit Ka Ginawa? Part 2. Yes. So if you happen to know this song, please shut up, okay? We might get lost, okay?
Huwag ka kasi dito. Kung saan ka kanina, doon ka lang.
Bakit?
Mag-feed. Oh, sige, dyan ka.
Oh, dito.
Gusto mo talaga feedback eh.
Nahirapan ako eh. Nahirapan ko siya, nakikita ko eh. Everybody applause! Halika na, pumikit limutin ang problema. Pakis naman pare, oh. Ang umaga
Magpahinga, panaginip ng ikaw ligaya. Darating din ang umaga. Basta tayo'y magkasama,
laging mayroong umaga. Kaya na pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Harapin natin
harapin natin ang sikat ng araw na may dalang liwanag.
gumising na, araw ng pag-asa'y narito na. Dumating din, harapin natin. Oh, basta tayo'y magkasama, lagi mayroong umaga. Kaya na pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Harapin natin.
Harapin natin
Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umaga. Kaya na pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Harapin natin.
Haharapin natin.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave you alone here, huh?
Teka
I'll leave
lang,
you
bago
alone.
ka-
I'm just gonna go to the restroom.
Mag-restroom ka.
Yes, oo.
Ay, makusamahan muna.
Ano? Why?
Kasi we need to tell them something about this area.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need to order. Okay, this is not a waiting shed.
Oo. Oo. Kumain po kayo. Oo. Nang bongga-bongga, mag-order kayo ng marami. Dito po natin malalaman ang katayuan ng isang tao sa buhay. Oh, charot.
Yun lang. All right.
Charot.
Please give it up for Bo, everybody.
Yes. Introduce kita, I'll introduce you.
Okay, sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the best vocalists, Filipino vocalists in the United States of America. It from Filipinas Got Talent. He was dubbed as the Mariah Carey of the Philippines, Whitney Houston of California, and it's called in Florida, the Songbird with a Big Bird. Gio Rebucas.
Grabe naman yun. Okay, here we go. Ay, bakit ito? Hindi pa yan. Sensya na ako din kasi ang DJ dito eh. Ayan! Let's sing everybody! Hey!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, come on. Oh yeah. Hey, come on. Don't want to dance.
Clock strikes upon the hour,
And the sun begins to fade.
still no time to figure out.
How to change the bills of pain. I've done it right up till now. Still lying on the shelf we have. So when the night falls, my lonely heart goes. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel like it with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel like it with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I feel the love you lost my senses, speeding through the town. Well, sooner or later the fever ends, and I want to feel it down. See, I need a man who'll take a chance on another, burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely heart goes. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel like it with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Somebody who loves me. Somebody to hold me in this house. I need a man who'll take a chance on another, burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely heart goes. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel like it with somebody. Yeah, yeah. I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel that heat. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. Yeah, with somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. Don't you wanna dance with me? With somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel like it with somebody. I really wanna dance with somebody who loves me.
Maraming salamat. Salamat po sa lahat ng pumalakpak. Sa mga hindi pa po pumalakpak, pwede pa pong sumunod. Yan. Maraming salamat po. Once again, my name is Gio, everyone. Thank you so much for having me here. How are you guys doing? Great. The food is great as well. Perfect. Anybody celebrating their birthdays tonight? Any birthday? Anniversary? Bagong tuli? Wala? Mayroon ba birthday dyan? What's her name? Elsa? Alma. Happy birthday, Alma. May birthday din dyan? Lalaki? Ay, mas gusto ko yan. Happy birthday, baby. Baby. Oh. Baby, happy birthday. Oo. Ang tigas ng katawan. Oo. Yung iba dito, matigas ang mukha. Charing lang. Ayaw ko lang magturo. Wait, joke lang ha. Everything we say and do here, there's our old jokes, okay? Nothing serious. Don't take us seriously. If we say, you're beautiful, that's a joke, huh? We're just kidding, okay? Especially to our non-Filipino speaking people, I would apologize as early as now. I can't promise to speak the English to the whole time because my English lasts only for 2 minutes. My nose will bleed. If anything, I can translate everything in the restroom, okay? Okay, sir? We can do some oral demonstration. And if you failed the exam, we'll repeat the oral examination. Oh, what's your name, sir? George. Oh my God, that's my father's name. That's my MGO. That's my dad's name. Who's with you? Any special someone? Your friend. Oh, a special friend? No, a friend, a friend. You don't like seafood? You like pure foods? I'm just kidding, just kidding. Seafood is like for women, pure food is for like hot dogs. That's why I'm asking. Manalito na ako, marami na kasing bakla dito sa mundo eh. Di ka na sure. Alright, where are you guys from? Are you from Tampa? Clearwater, wow, I heard that's the #1 beach in Florida. Wow, I love to visit there. Okay, how about you, ma'am? How are you? Ang cute ng outfit ni Madam. Oo. Diba? Parang isa sa mga mayaman din to eh. Kaya nung pagdaan ko, gusto kong bumeso. Pero, oo. Hello po. Oo. Hello din po sa inyo. Oo. May mga table lang ako nakikitang may mga laman, may iba wala. Ano to? Charing lang. Biro-biroan po ha. Oo. In fairness, ang ganda ng mga girls natin tonight ha. Anong name na mo, madam? Anong name mo? Lani. Ay, Lani. Fairness, sexy si Lani, ha? Si madam, anong name mo, madam? Marcel. Ay, parang mayaman to si madam, pero boundary to. Bawal ko okrayin. Bawal ba? Kasi, wag na lang nga. Naghanap ako tuloy. Di ko ma-okray. Ay, wag na lang ako mag-joke. Charot lang. Uy, naiingit ako sa mga may mag-asawa. Ito, may kasamang Ay. Uy, teka lang naman. Oh, madam. Oh, nakakahiya naman. Nakakahiya naman pag ito lang. Madam, I'm not expecting this. I'm expecting more. What is your name? Cheryl. Kaya nga ang gaan-gaan ng loob ko po sa inyo. Gusto mo itapat lahat ng aircon sa iyo po? Oo, $50. Oh. Hindi ba kayo naiinggit? Isang song pa lang yun ha. Nagbigay agad si Madam. Pagpag natin. Oh. Pagpag para dumami. Ipagpag sa mga bagay na laging ginagamit. Laging ginagamit. Lagi na ginamit. Oh, ang cute-cute din ng anak mo po. Ang cute-cute naman ng baby. Ang cute-cute ng baby. Oh, say mama. Ha. Papa. Ha. Ang cute-cute. Oo. Wait, madam, thank you talaga, madam. Kasi, sa totoo lang po, ang cute din po ng outfit nito, oh. Ang cute ni madam, may paribon din. Oo. Ogos na ogos. Palarong pambansa. Okay, thank you po sa inyo. Do you want me to sing more? Okay, let me sing that song once again. Lalito sila. Uy, baka may request ka, madam. May request ka po? Okay, sige. Ito na lang po para sa iyo, ha? Oo. Para sa inyo, sige, okay. I'm gonna sing an OPM song. It's a Filipino song for everybody. And I'm sure you know this song. Maraming salamat, madam. May pang-Uber na kami. Thank you po. Check.
Check. Hey.
Giliwan mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumaya sa iyong piling. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw. Tanging ilang ulit mo nang itinatanong sa'kin kung bakla ako. Hanggang kailan, hanggang kailan magtatagal, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumaya sa iyong piling. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw. Tanging
Ay, magaling. Mas magaling kayong isa sa Gainesville. Mas marunong kumanta. Thank you. Salamat.
hanggang ang diwa ko'y tangi sa'yo laan, mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumaya sa iyong piling. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, na ang sinisigaw ay ang lagi ng ikaw. Hanggang saan hanggang kailan kitang mahal. Mga buhay ko'y kunin ng may kabal. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw lang kinilisanin. Ikaw magkagawa lumaya sa piling hanggang may pag-ibig. Laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig, laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw.
Thank you! Do you want more? Thank you. Saan ka pupunta, madam? Charing lang. See, here's another one para sa mga couples naman. I'll try to sing this one before anything else. Ito, one of my favorite songs. I'm sure you know this song very much. Originally from Mr. Martin Rivera. You can sing along with me, guys.
You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you, you seem so near yet so far. I hope and I pray that we will be someday, 'cause I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Oh, am I dreaming?
Sing.
We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. I know for sure that we were meant to fall in love. And I looked in your eyes, I know what you're thinking of. I try not to say
The words that might scare you away, 'cause I know down inside
you are mine and I'll be your true love. Please no more dreaming. How can I, each time I try to say goodbye, you were there. You looked my way and touched the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my baby, we can make it last forever. And I know that we can make it through. With you in my heart, you're my love, you're my soul, you're my soul.
Oh, gusto niyong sumaya naman? Oh, masaya naman tayo. Here we go. Para sa inyo. Hey, come on! Put your hands together, everybody! Hey, 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 hey! Game ka na ba? Yes!
She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you one more time. She got a body like a Cadillac, but I can send you into one more time.
You got a big baby, stop but don't swing you back.
See, anybody could be bad to you. You need a good girl to know your mind.
Sing!
To the rock, I know you want all over you. I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you back. Wait a minute to you.
Hey, bang, bang!
Girl, you're so hot, I know you want. See the rock, I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you back. Wait a minute to you. She might have let you hold me hand in school, but I'm not sure you how to graduate. Not a date, so can you talk the talk? Just come and show me what your mama did.
You got a big baby.
Ooh, see, anybody could be bad to you. You need a good girl to love.
Bang, bang!
To the rock, I know you want.
Bang, bang!
All over you, I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you back. Wait a minute to you.
Bang, bang!
You're so hot, I know you want.
Bang, bang!
See the rock, I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take.
Uy, nalaglag, oh! Wala, minus! Namainlove ako sa'yo, kung ang pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at lagi nabibintas, pero sarili ko pera, para kang speaks, kung gali mo'y nagkakastig, kulilin mo ko at talagang nakakashriek. Tell it bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny? All the chicks I've done, wala man lang recognition. Pakinig ka mo lesson na pinawala aking attention.
See anybody could be bad to you. You need a man.
Hirap kumita ng pera. Mahal-mahal kasi ng lalaki. Ganyan kaliit, oh. 500 agad. Pag hinawakan mo, 800. Pag pinasok, 1,000. Pag hindi ka nagbayad, saksak. Oo. Minsan nga, napaisip ako, pag mahaba lang talaga tong akin, bayaran ko sarili ko. Nakaipon pa ako. Where you going, sir? Restroom? You need assistance? Let's go. Aww. Pogi naman nun. Asawa mo yun, be? Ay, palapakan nyo naman si ate. Isa na naman Pilipina nakaahon sa kahirapan. Swerte mo dun, no? Malaki, no? Laki na bunganga mo eh. Special guest po natin yan. Palapakan nyo naman si Ina, everybody. One of our guest performers. Thank you. And before I say my last song, I'd like to thank Manila Eats for letting us use the venue. And of course, EMC Productions. Emil. Maraming salamat, Emil. And of course, ang sarili po ninyo for supporting us and supporting Email. Maraming salamat po. And for our media as well, thank you. Cinco Productions, thank you. Our DJ Mike for the sounds and lights. May lights ba? Wala naman, sounds lang pala. Thank you. And I'm gonna sing my last song, everybody, before I call my partner. Para po sa lahat na nagmamahalan, maghihiwalay din po kayo. Charing lang. Woo! Madam, salamat Baka pwede pa.
If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I go. But I know I'll think of you in every step of the way. And love you. I will always love.
Anong nangyari? Okay tayo sa hanggang kanina. Come on, Daddy. Come on, if you want to pass it by. Thank you so much. I love you. Aww.
I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if you will only take the time, 'cause I know in my begin.
Salamat po, Madam.
Oh,
$40, $50. Salamat po. Ano na ba?
can't you see the heartbeat?
I feel so all alone.
I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you.
Ay, meron ako.
That you hold me in your arms
And keep me safe from harm.
I wanna run to you. But if we come together,
Magkano?
tell me, will
Ready to?
stay or will you run away? Run away. No, I need you here. I need you here to wipe away my tears, to kiss away my fears. Share your love, take me for what I am. 'Cause I won't take change or make colors for you. And also I got this card dreamer. If you don't have some cash, just so that you get one and everything that you do. 'Cause I don't really need to look very much. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't only back again. This passion sign, I can't run for myself. To her, your love I remember forever. Thank you, madam. Don't make me confess one more time. I don't wanna. Thank you, mother. Anymore. Singing like I see you tell. Much time in my. Hey, daddy. Today, walk away from me. This is nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me collapse one more time. I don't wanna have anymore. Sting in my guts, if you let, must I imagine you now? So walk away from me now. So walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. This is nothing, nothing, we'll always love you. We'll always
Wala na ba?
love
Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagbigay. Sa mga hindi po nagbigay, mag-ingat kayo sa pag-uwi, ha? Oo. Salamat po. Meron pa po dyan. May card po. Ayun po. Ay! May card nga! Madam! Teka lang po. Mabo, mag-CR ka muna, Bo, ha? Hanap buhay mo na ako. Mamaya. Mamaya na, oh. Baka, mas malaki ba mamaya? O sige, mamaya na daw. Uy, maraming salamat po. Ito pong binigay po ninyo, malayo po mararating nito kasi may foundation po ako, ha? Yung foundation ko po, ang ginagawa ko kasi, recently kasi yung Pilipinas, may nasalanta ng bagyo and everything, especially sa Metro Manila. Lahat ng mga bata, walang kaya sa buhay, walang pinag-aralan, walang pagkain. Lahat po yun, kinukup-kup ko po sa foundation ko. So, ang ginagawa ko po, binibihisan ko sila, pinapaliguan, pinapakain, para pagdating ng 18 years old and above, mabenta ko ng mas mahal dito. Mabenta ko sila ng mas mahal dito, ha? Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nabigay. Thank you so much, everybody. And please, stand by for our next performer. Our next one is a former Miss Jurassic Park 2025.
Huh?
She's a former construction worker with vital statistics of perfect 36. 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 36. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome.
Gandahan mo naman yung intro.
Agandahan. Okay. Gusto mo yung parang araneta?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay. Everyone, taas ang dalawang kamay. Dalawang kamay magtaas. Ang hindi magtataas ang dalawang kamay, may problema sa personal hygiene. May putok. At sabay-sabay magpalapami ka sa Manginawan! Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next performer, LA's premier comedian, and not so beautiful. Palapakan niyo naman, Bo Carnation!
So crazy right now. Most incredibly, it's your girl, B. It's your boy, Young. You ready?
Patayin mo. DJ, patayin mo! DJ, patayin mong ilaw at mas maganda ako sa gabi. Punyeta. Yes, okay. Good evening po. My name is Bo Carnation. Do I look beautiful tonight? To those who believe that I'm beautiful, please raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 67. 67 are on drugs tonight. Yes, okay. I'm just gonna make sure that I have do a shout out to everybody. Anybody works in the healthcare industry? Yes. Oh, a lot. Yes. All the healthcare professionals, I just want to say, thank you so much to all the healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, caregivers, clinicians, because you are the reason why the pandemic is being controlled. Diba? We know you work hard. You work 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, 24 hours. Choice nyo yan eh. Sana nag-teacher kayo. Marami kayong bakasyon. Winter vacation, summer vacation. Diba? Pati Coachella. Bakasyon nyo. Gusto ko magpaano. Gusto kong, I don't wanna be alone here. I wanna have somebody here with me. Gusto ko, sir, pwede ka bang pumunta dito? Sir, ikaw. Sir, can you come here, please? Sige na. Yes, sir, come here. Yeah. Gusto ko lang magpa-game. Oh, yes. Can you call him? Yes, halika na. Dito ka. I just wanna have a game. Sir, sumama ka na. Oo. May libreng oatmeal mamaya. Oo, may libreng oatmeal. Oo, yes. Halika dito. Oo. Yes, ayan. Hahanap pa ako ng isa. Sir, ayan. Oo. Halika. Come on, baby. Come, baby. Don't eat. Don't eat. Oo. My favorite number is 88. 88. You eat me, I eat you. 88. Oo. Yes, okay. What is your name?
Russell.
Hi, hello. You look very respectful. Wag mo akong i-respect, babuyin mo ako, ah. Yes, okay. What is your name again?
Russell.
What's keeping you busy?
Business.
Business? That's very, very nice. Okay, how about you? What is your name? Ruben, kumusta ka na? Are you from Florida? Narinig mo ba ako? Nakikita mo lang ako. Nakikita mo lang ako. Saan? Kumusta naman po? Mabuti naman. Anong nursing home po kayo? Saan po kayo nakatira?
Sa Riverview.
Riverview. Kamag-anak niyo siya. Oh. Daddy mo, napakabait niya. Kaya ko siya, kasi halatang-halatang. Pag mabait tignan no? Gusto niyo po ba ng caregiver? Na may happy ending? Oo, yes. Okay, hindi. Okay lang. Ha? Marami kang sinasabi. O, ikaw na dito. Iba, papuntayin mo yan dito. Ikaw na. Babae ka, pakilamera ka? Diyos ko. Alalahanin mo to, girl. Isang butas lang ang lamang mo sa akin. Ha? Ingay, maraming sinasabi. Saan kayo pupunta? Mag-restroom mo, sige. Punta lang kayo doon. Ha? Ganda din ito. Oh, pretty girl. Yes, okay. Yes, huwag kang mag-alala, sir. Mamaya, pagkatapos ng show natin, may palibreng oatmeal mamaya. Oo, para wala na kayong gagawin, ha? Mag-breakfast na kayo. Ito naman. I'm gonna talk to you in English or Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Where did you born?
Philippines.
Puta, ha? Kanina ka pa. Ano sinasabi mong mali ako? Mali ako? Did you born? Ano bang tama, Eva? Ha? Ang tama? Birth? Okay. Where did you birth? Nako, papahiya naman ako sa inyo, Nining. Saan ka ba? Where? Where?
Pilipinas po.
Pilipinas. Tagalog pala ito eh. Puta, pinahirapan mo pa ako eh. Diyos ko, di ba? Diyos ko, oh my gosh. He's an army. Can you abuse me? Yeah, please. Yes, what's your name, baby?
Pangit.
Pangit? You're not pangit. Who told you that? Your wife? Your wife told you, you know you're very handsome.
Every day.
Every day? Oh my God. Packing shit? Why did you say that? Huh? No, you're very, she's just doing a psychological warfare with you. So you won't be going around because you look like an actor. Ang bango! Diyos ko, ang bango-bango niya. Amoy baby. Ang panghe. Diyos ko, ang bango. Oo, ito. At least meron tayo dito nga na mid. How old are you? If you don't mind.
36.
Ano lang natin, medyo ano. Antayin lang natin sila makaupo. Kordero ng Diyos na antayin lang sila makaupo. Mga mahal ko yan eh. Yung mga nasa likod dulo, mahal ko yan. Mukhang ang bait-bait nila, oh. Love you. Yes, okay. Ilang taong ka na?
36.
36, 70, 21 years old. And you are 27?
Yes.
Yes. Don't look at me like that. Nati-turn on ako, ah. Grabe tong lalaki na to. Teaser. Mukhang sanay sa bakla. Ikaw naman, sir. Gusto ko lang tanungin, nalawayan ka na ba ng bakla?
Dati.
Dati, umamin! Umamin! Ay! Umamin! Oo. Ikaw ba nalawayan ka ng bakla?
Wala pa.
Hindi pa? Gusto mo duraan kita? Oo. Duraan lang daw. Okay. This time, I'm gonna ask you to follow, because do you like line dancing? I'm gonna teach them how to do a line dance. Very basic line dance. Just follow my dance steps. All you have to do, there's a prize for this. The prize for this is myself. You can take me home if you like. Yeah, I will be your caregiver for the rest of your life. Yeah, okay. Okay, all you have to do is follow my dance steps. If you cannot follow my dance steps, I'm gonna give you a French kiss. In Tagalog, lalaplaping ko kayo. Ha? Ganon, ha? Sige. First step, right foot forward. Yan. Yeah, I think this is the best group I've ever had in my life. Right foot po, nakalimutan nyo na. Oo. Right foot, ha? Right foot. Right foot yan, ha? Right foot. Oh. Oo. Alam mo, nakaka-insulto ka na, ha? Wala pa yung joke ko, tumatawa ka na. Ha? Babaeng to, buti maganda ka. Nyeta ka. Charot. Oo. Ma'am Ava, pasensya na po, papasayawin ko lang sila. Ba't ayaw niyo akong tignan? Ngayon lang ba kayo nakakita ng baklang buhay? Oo. Yes, okay. Here we go. Okay, right foot forward. Hands up. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Sandali lang. Sandali lang, ma'am. Yung DJ talaga nagmamadali lagi. Pag pinapaplay mo, ayaw mag-play. Diba? Pag gusto mong mag-play, ayaw mag-play. Pag hindi mo pinaplay, play naman siya. Diba? Okay. Wiggle, yeah, like, make it a little bit gay, like that. Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for a dance king of the night. Hit it! Ano ba? Ngayon, gusto na namin mag-play. Okay.
Ay. Fonzie! Tiwa! Oh no! Oh no! Go! Sí, sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Chihuahua. Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el camino que yo voy. Oh, tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito, firma las paredes de tu laberinto y hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Sube, sube. Quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Déjame sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro, hasta provocar tus gritos, que olvides tu apellido.
Si te pido un beso, vendámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo. Llevo tiempo intentándolo. Mami, esto estás mirándolo. Sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Sabes que esa beba está buscando de mi bam bam. Me pruebas de mi boca para ver cómo te sabe. Quiero ver cuánto amor a ti te cabe. Yo no tengo prisa, yo me quiero dar el viaje. Empezamos lento, después salvaje. Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Cuando tú me besas con esa destreza, tú que eres malicia con delicadeza. Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito. Y es que esa belleza es un rompecabezas, pero para montarlo aquí tengo la pieza. Oye,
despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito, deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito, firma las paredes de tu laberinto y hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Sube, sube. Quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Favorito, baby. Déjame sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro, hasta provocar tus gritos, que olvides tu apellido. Despacito, vamos a hacerlo en una playa en Puerto Rico, hasta que las olas griten ay bendito, para que mi sello se quede contigo.
pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito.
Enseñas a mi boca tus lugares favoritos.
Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito a poquito.
Hasta provocar tus gritos, y que olvides tu apellido. Despacito.
What did you feel? Did I turn you on or you were traumatized?
Both.
Diyos ko, bakit yan ang pinakasalan mo? Oh. Mukhang kamukha lang kami ah. Charot, okay. Thank you so much, thank you. Thank you. Sir, thank you. Ay, buti naman may nagbigay din sa akin. Lahat lang kay Gio nagbigay. Sa akin wala, $50. Gusto niyo ba ng happy ending, sir? Ha? Gusto yata ng happy ending? At least meron na akong $50. Sana naman mag-share din naman kayo sa akin. Kasi kay Gio, swapang po yan. Si Gio bukas, ay may binibigay ka din? Mamaya na? Ay, di ba? Sige ha, promise yan. Okay. Ay, nako. Ha? Boundary ah. Yan, buti may bibigay ka rin sa akin? May packet ako. Wala akong packet. O sige, keep it for me, ha? Medyo doblehin mo na, ha? Triple na yan, ha? Pag kinip mo yan, triple na yan. Yes. Ano to? Offertory moment? Offertory moment daw ito. Diyos ko. Diba?
Meron na kasi ako.
Meron na siya.
Kawawa ka naman kasi.
Kawawa naman ako. Marami po akong pinag-aaral sa Pilipinas. Meron po akong foundation sa Pilipinas. Nagpapaaral po ako 30 years old and below. Oo. Kasi po, meron akong scholarship foundation. Ang tawag ko po sa foundation ko ay Piso para Makasuso Foundation. Oo. Madali lang po. Charot. Uy, joke lang. Uy, joke lang naman yun. Hindi, oo. Pero, gusto ko lang pong sabihin, bakit ko po siya gustong-gusto, si Sir? Dahil po, kailangan na. Oo. Kailangan na. Oo. Kailangan ko na siyang mahalin. Oo. Kasi baka nag-aantay ng insurance. Okay. I'm gonna sing a beautiful song. If you happen to know, This is a very, ano bang kakantayin ko ngayon? Nakalimutan ko. Sir, parang nahawa na rin ako sa'yo. Oh, sir, okay. Would you like a Tagalog or English song? English? Ha? Ay, ma-Inglesera na kayo? Sige, I'm gonna sing a very beautiful song. No, somebody told me if I could sing a Spanish song because this area is very Spanish. Puerto Rican, Puerto Rican, Cuban, meron din dito mga Mexican, di ba? Pero paborito ko pa rin ng mga Pilipino. Gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, halos natikman ko na lahat ng mga Pilipino. Natikman ko na lahat yan. Marami ako natikman na. May natikman ako ng tiga Pampanga. May tiga Pampanga ba dito? Mahal-mahal nyo? Isang hipo, 1.5 na agad. Diyos ko, ang Ilocano naman, ang Ilocano okay din. Mahaba. Pero payat. Para kang sumisip-sip ng Lucky Me noodles. Oo, ganon. Ang taga Laguna, gustong-gusto ko yan. Taga Laguna ka? Pag taga Laguna kasi, pag mga lalaki, pag nagka-come sila, may lumalabas na buko pie. Oo, joke lang. Hi, ma'am. Hello. Did you understand what I'm saying? That's good. Oo, that's good. Oo. Buti hindi niya naintindihan. Baka siyang inokray ko na. Okay, yeah. Can we, nasaan yung DJ? Nagtago na? Hello? Hello? Ayun na. Palakpakan niyo po kayo. Spanish song for everybody. Tanto tiempo disfrutamos de este amor. Nuestras almas se acercaron tanto así que yo guardo tu sabor, pero tú llevas también sabor a mí. Si regalas mi licencia de tu vivir, bastaría con abrazar y conversar. Tanto vida yo te di que por fuerza te decía sabor a mí. Yo pretendo ser tu dueño, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad de mentiras, de amor. Soy tan pobre que otra cosa puedo dar. Pasaremos de años, muchos más. Yo no sé si tengamos la eternidad, pero ya tanto de ti en la boca llevarás sabor a mí. I love you, baby. No pretendo ser tu dueño, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad de mentiras, de juego. Soy tan pobre que otra cosa puedo dar. Pasarán más de 1000 años, muchos más. Yo no sé si tengamos la eternidad, pero ya tal como aquí en la boca llevarás sabor a mí. Sabor a mí. Kasi team song namin yan ng boyfriend. Boyfriend kasi ako, Latino. Team song namin yan. Naghiwalay na kami. Sinasabihan lang niya kasi ako ng I love you tuwing adyos at saka 25. Oo, tuwing sweldo lang. Pero sa kabila ng pag-ihiwalay namin, tinuruan naman niya ako ng magagandang bagay sa buhay. Tinuruan niya ako magtipid. Di ba? Maganda yun eh. Tinuruan ko niya magtipid. Pag nagdi-dinner kami, ang kinakain niya, pork chop. Ako, ketchup. Di ba? Di ba? Yes, okay. Nakadrugs ka ba? Ha? Nakadrugs yata ito eh. Yes, hi sir. I'm just joking with your wife. She's very lovely. You have a yeah. How long have you been married together? Almost a year? And you look problematic already? Yes, almost a year pa lang. But you are very, very lucky to have a Filipina wife. I tell you this. Because I'm also a wife, you know? You're very lucky to have a Filipina wife. Because Filipina wives are very, very sweet. Very hardworking, very good cook, and the merchandise down there is very, very tight. One size fits all. Yes, wow. Buti ka pa, maluwag ka na. I mean, nakakaluwag-luwag ka na. Yes. Sir, I didn't get a tip. Would you like to give me something? Yeah. If you don't have a tip, I'll take Junjun. Ha? Yes, yeah. Video pakibigay nga yung ano. Akala nyo wala. Meron din kami niyan. Video pakibigay nga yung ano. Yung channelin mo. Okay. Yes. Oo. Lagyan mo ng 2 0, ha? A numeral number and a 0, ha? Kaya pala ang gaan ang pakiramdam ko dito. Alam mo, napakaganda mo, sister. You look like a beauty queen. Oo. Mukha siyang beauty queen, di ba? Di ba mukhang beauty queen? Hindi, in fairness, maganda siya, di ba? Di ba? Maganda siya. Oo, Gio, i-channelin mo na. Oo, iyan, sir. Sel, ibigay mo yung number mo.
Ba't di mo number gamitin mo?
O, sige, sir. Kinakabahan ako, baka sampal na ako ng baing to. Di ba? Okay, iya. Sir, may card ka ba? Yung card na lang, buong card na.
Ay, magse-sell talaga siya?
Magsisell siya. Ay, di, pakisell kay Sir Emil. Emil, get the number. Get it. Now, I'd like to call Gio here. Gio, come on here.
Ayan, yan ang inaantay ko.
Oo.
Ito para assistant.
Ito na kami. Ito na, this is the moment of Best Buy request. If you have any requested song or anything that you would like us to do,
tama.
Kami po ang alilaan nyo ngayon. Gusto ko yung babae na yun, no? Na mestiza. Hi, ma'am. Yung nakamaong, naka-jeans.
Yes.
Hi. Ang dami niyang pretty dito. Anong request?
Ay, request daw.
May talaga?
Ay, ano yan?
May request? Ganito po ang tamang pag-request.
Tama.
Isulat nyo lang po, write it on a piece of paper if you want to request something from us.
Yes.
Write it on a piece of paper and attach something. Yan na. Request, attachment.
Yes.
Without attachment, we will perform it next year.
Yes.
Since this one is $50.
50. What else? 54.
Yeah. Please sing Bohemian Rhapsody.
Wow. Let's do it. It's $50. Yeah, let's do it.
Sasabog naman ang itlog ko dito.
Ayaw mo. Ako
Okay ka lang, mataas ang boses
ako
mo.
gagawa. Akin na to.
Ano? Sasali ako. $50. So, dahil lang, ha?
Aww.
Ito naman.
Ano naman yan?
$5. Please sing the rock song Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses.
Wow, $5?
Sinong inuulol nyo? Ha?
$5?
$5, Sweet Child of Mine?
Sino nabigay?
We love you. You're funny. Eugene.
Si Eugene.
Tarantado ka, Eugene, ha?
$5?
Hindi kami, we're homosexual. We're not rock stars. Tarantado din to, ha?
So ayaw mo gawin. Ang gagawin natin?
Hindi. Baka naman isipin nila, maaarte tayo. Gawin na rin natin, di ba?
Oo. Baka sabihin nila mukha tayong pera.
Oo. Totoo po yun.
Yan.
Ito, $25.
Uy, teka lang. $5? Di ba? Sweet Child of Mine?
Oo.
Sure ka dito, gagawin mo talaga to?
Alam ko na.
Ano gagawin
Ito na
natin?
lang.
Oh.
Saan si Eugene? Eugene!
Oh.
May offer ako sa'yo, Eugene, ha?
Ano?
Bigyan kita ng $6, ikaw na kumenta. Punyeta ka. Ikaw ang nag-request, di ba? Ha? Sige. Ikaw ang nag-request.
O, ano naman yung isa? Ma'am?
Kantahan na natin. Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang makamtan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Thank you, beautiful women. Thank you. Babalik
Thank
ka
you
pa,
po.
sis. Oo, sige,
Babalik
babalik
pa siya. Oh, hinatid
Okay.
lang yung nagtugo.
Oo. Ito naman. Guys, we saw you in LA performing an MTV. That's so funny.
MTV?
MTV?
Mag-MTV?
Meron po kasi kaming ginagawa na music video. Pero it's a comedy, but we don't have any appliances here.
Meron marami. Oh.
Sige, try lang natin. Try lang natin. Okay, gagawin natin ito, ha? MTV. Unahin na natin yung Sweet Child of Mine, be. Baka sabihin naman nila, nasusuplada natin. O yan, gagawin
Sino
natin.
nag-request nito? MTV?
Sino to? Si Imelda ang nag-request ng MTV. Wala naman kami masyadong props, so bahala na. Yan, okay. Nag-i-enjoy po ba kayo tonight? Thank you so much. It's a beautiful Sunday night. Yes, and we are in Florida. Napakaganda ng lugar nito. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng alligator hanggang ngayon. Oo. Di ba? Maganda ba ako, ma'am? Ma'am, wala pa kayong binigay sa akin. Mamaya, ha? Sige. Tapatan nyo lahat ng mga pinagbibigay na yan. Kaya mo, kitang-kita naman sapatos nyo pa lang halatang mamahalin na. Samantalang ito, ang ganda nung ano mo, ha? Ng shoes mo. Ano yan? Ano yan? SA? SA? Salvation Army? Oo, oo. Ha? Ha? Okay. Goodwill? Oo. Okay lang. Halata naman, oo. Yes, okay. Ikaw, mamaya na yung allowance mo, ha? Mamaya ibibigay ko si Allah. Ha? Ha? Mamaya na. Gusto mo rin ba ng allowance? Kapatid mo ba itong dalawa? Ito? Boyfriend mo to? Hindi? Ano ka? Ito, boyfriend. Oo. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Hindi ka nag-enjoy? Ano naman? Huwag ka namang babae. Mahirap yan, magastos yan.
Magastos?
I-delivery mo pa yan.
Oo.
Pag nabuntis mo pa yan, child support ka pa.
Kasal, gastos. Pag may anak,
lahat.
gastos. Paaraw,
Oo.
gastos.
Sa bakla ka na lang.
Anong gagawin?
Wala kang gagawin sa bakla. Higa ka lang, magiginig ang tuhod mo, nakatingin ka sa salamin. Paggising mo, may bago ka lang cellphone.
Tama, tama, tama.
Oo. Pag dinate mo kami gagastos.
At saka pag dinate mo ito, hindi lang jowa, may tito ka na.
Oo. Swerte mo sa akin, ha? Dalawang syota mo. May girlfriend ka na, may tiyuhin ka pa. O, di ba? Oh, sus. Gusto mo ba magpagupit? Ha? Huwag ka na masyadong choosy. Malay mo, ako ang ninang mo. Oo. Sige na, huwag ka na masyadong choosy. Oo. Kakarampot lang naman yan. Hindi. Ginajoke
Baka
lang
magulat.
kita, ha?
Baka magulat ka pag kita mo nito, tatay mo to.
Oh. Meron ka bang Chinese blood?
Yeah.
You're Chinese.
Also, half Filipino, half Chinese?
Lolo ng nanay ko po.
Chinese.
Kasi may lahi din kaming dalawa.
Ano? Oo.
Half din po ako.
Anong half mo?
Half Filipino, half Filipina. Ikaw?
Ako po, half Chinese,
alam ko na sa'yo.
half restaurant.
Hindi, half Chinese ka, at saka, di niya to alam kasi kilala ko yung lolo nito. Half Chinese, at saka half Portuguese.
Talaga? Ano
Nung
ako?
pinagsama, Putragis.
Puta. Gaga. Hoy! Huwag mo akong laitin, hayop ka. Punta mo ako dito. Ito may guwapo. Nahiya akong lumapit
Parang nanggugulpi ng bakla, no?
Mukhang nang gugulpi ng bakla ito. Yes. Hi, sir. Are you Filipino?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Huwag niyo akong sini-sir. Yung sumisir sa akin, nilalaplap ko. Yes. Mukha ba akong sir, nakalipstick ako ng bonggang-bongga? Bakit ganun kaya magsalita? Nasasaktan ako eh.
Wow.
Nasasaktan ako, baby.
Oh, wow. Baby na baby, wala pang buhok.
Sir, ba't amoy Tiger Balm kayo? Oo. Pero yun ang gusto ko, Tiger Balm. Paborito
Diba?
ko yun. Oo.
Oo. So ano to? Dalawang itlog sa yung gitna?
Ito mga type ko. Ito gwapo din eh. Ito naman na parang ang bait-bait niya mukha siyang pastor. Para bang ipipray over ka niya.
Aww.
Di ba? Ang bait-bait niya. Hello. Yeah,
Teka lang.
It's okay to video or take a picture of me. That's okay, ha?
That's okay.
But please, do not put me on YouTube or Facebook because my father doesn't know that I'm gay.
Really?
Oo.
He doesn't know what you're wearing right now?
Ayan, hindi niya makikita ito unless ipadala nito ng iba sa Facebook.
Bakit ayaw niya? Ano ba nangyari?
Ha?
Ba't ayaw ng tatay mo? Ayan ka na naman.
Kasi yung tatay ko po, kaya ako napunta ng Amerika, sinampal niya ako. Nakita niya ako naka-gown.
Bakit kasi
sinampal niya ako sa kwarto?
Bakit?
Naintindihan ko naman sa kasi ayaw talaga niya pinakikialaman ko ang mga damit niya.
Aww. Sa kanya pala yan?
Oo.
So lahi kayo ng bakla?
Oo, weird kami eh. Ang nanay ko naka-basketball short, ang tatay ko naka-gown, ang kuya ko naka-palda. Minsan hindi ko natiis ang tatay ko, tinanong ko talaga yan.
Ano?
Sabi ko, Tay! Ba't kanya kayo manamit?
Oh.
Bakla ba kayo? Sabi ng tatay ko, ewan ko anak, ang lolo mo ganito rin eh. Oo. Diba?
Oh. May nag-request.
Teka muna, ituloy na. Anong request ko?
Ito yan, request nila.
Ay, may request 100. Anong gusto nyo? Ngayon at
Kailanman. Request.
Unahin na natin
Unahin
to.
natin yan.
Ngayon.
Yung $5, bukas na yun,
Oo,
ha?
bukas na. Oo. Ngayon at kailan.
Ibalik na lang natin yung $5.
Asa na si Eugene? Eugene, balik ko sa yung $5. Neta ka? Yung
Ngayon
Basil
at-
Valdez. Ngayon at kailan. Team song niyo ba ito?
Ay, team song nila.
Oo, sige, kinanta na. Sweet Child of Man muna unahin natin
O sige, Sweet
matapos
Child of
na
Man
ito.
muna tayo.
Punyetang
Sweet
limang-
Child of Man, baka kasi magalit kasi pauwi na daw.
Sabi sa amin ng aming manager, alam mo yung tiga-tampa, yan ang pinakagalante kasi mababait yan sila.
Mabait.
Kasi medyo sumablay kami sa pagdating sa pagtitip ngayon, parang kokota kami ngayon eh. Kasi
Oo
parang
nga eh.
nakikita namin nasa inyo lahat.
Oo.
Ang kagandahan ng kabaitan, punong-puno kayo ng pag-ibig,
Yes.
napakagagalante nyo.
Oo nga.
Yes.
Pinig ko pa nga sa table na yun, nurses daw yan, oh.
Wala pa tayong natatanggap dyan, kahit isa.
Meron sa
Meron
table.
na?
Dito lang, wala.
Dito wala pa?
Wala pa.
O, di babuyin natin ang pagkakao nila. Oo. Sweet Child of Man, we will sing whatever. If you don't have any donation, that's okay.
Oo.
Kahit kakantayin pa namin request nyo kahit wala kayong donation.
Oo.
Subukan nyo. Charot, oo.
Ito po yung Sweet Child of Man para po
Sige.
sa iyo.
Everybody applause. This is for the $5.
Hey!
Hey, come on! Yeah, rockstar!
Hey! Put your hands together, everybody. Come on. Hey! Here we go. For $5. Felicia from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the sweet of burning shell.
Yan, $5.
Oo. Kung gusto niyo mabuo yan,
Gawin yung $100. Yes, gusto niyong mabuo. Di ba?
Sige, bayad utang tayo.
Ano, bayad utang? $100
Ngayon
yan.
at kailanman. Sige, sige.
Ngayon at kailan. Napakagandang awitin ito. This is a very beautiful song from the movie Patayin Mo sa Sindak si Barbara.
Yun ba yun?
Horror ito eh. Sige.
Sige, kakatahin.
Hi, ma'am. Ito na, sige. If you wanna sing along with us,
Paano kami gaganahan kung walang palakpakan?
yes! Ngayon at kailanman, ibigin ka.
Alam ko, alam ko.
Ngayon at kailanman, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Ngayon at kailanman, sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahan may kasama ka, sinta. Hanggang kailanman. Ikaw na. Maaasahan mo, Trina, ngayon at kailanman. Remember ba kayo nakuha eh? Parang third voice na ito. Ayusin ko 100 ito. Ngayon at kailanman, ikaw ay mapaglingkuran. Hirap. Bakit nabis kitang mahal? Pangatawa sa may kapal, bubuin sa aking buhay. Everybody! Sa bawat araw ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo diyan, lalong tumatawis, tuwing ikatawagan kahapon ay naging Ayan. Sige! Tagay pa! Tagay! Yeah. Guys, keep on drinking our white boys. Please keep on drinking. The more you drink, the more we become beautiful.
Yes.
When you drink 5 beers,
Five beers.
yes. Pero walang alcohol dito pa, no? May alcohol na ba dito? Wala pa. Meron na? May beer na ba dito? Pwede na?
Wala.
Hindi pa pwede, oo.
Wala.
Oo. Kasi dati itong prayer meeting group, oo.
I know.
Bawal pa ang alak, oo. Bawal pa. Basta, supportahan po natin ang mga Filipino businesses, Filipino entertainers like
Yes.
Manila Eats. Napakasarap
That is
po
right.
dito.
Masarap ang foods dito.
Oo, dito po tayo kumain. Supportahan natin. Masarap po itong Manila Eats na ito.
Correct.
Tapos nagki-cater din sila. They do catering as well. So if you want, just call them. Then pwede silang mag-cater sa inyo kung anong gusto niyo pagkain.
Private events, ganon. Birthdays, celebrations, ganon.
You know, ang ating nagluluto talaga dito yung owner. Napakasarap niya. Na-featured pa yan sa
TV, di ba? Yung
because she's a very, very good cook, chef. Our chef, Veronica. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Manila
Veronica,
We
for
love
feeding us.
Oo. Yung suman, Yung suman, oo. Ito na yung,
Ano ba yun?
ano yung
MTV?
MTV.
Oh, sige, mag-MTV.
Magkahanap kami ngayon ng partner, ha? Kailangan ko ng partner. Sir, yung nasa kaha, pwedeng ikaw na sa MTV. Alika.
Come on, baby boy.
He's an army too. He's an army. Baby boy, tara. Oo, dito
Ano
ka.
pangalan nga niya?
Come to mama. Come to mama.
Hindi ikaw, be.
Come to mama. Mama will not bite. Yan. O, sige.
Come on.
Simple lang to.
Hello. Is this your first time being called in a show? Oh, first time. Let's welcome him.
Yes. Oh, let's welcome
Yeah,
him.
let's welcome him properly.
Kasi, dito ka lang. Dito ka.
Yeah,
Yan
let's
ka.
welcome him
Kasi
properly.
it's part of our being an entertainer
Yes.
to welcome all the guests that will join us on stage.
Yes,
so
that's
we would
right.
like to be very courteous, respectful,
Yes.
just to make sure that you are very much welcome. You welcome Pogi, no?
I know.
Are you single?
No, married.
Utang in. Sorry, pasensya na po. Mary.
Let's welcome him.
Yes, okay. In behalf of the Diva Dings, kayo maingay. Shh, kayo maingay. Hoy! Wini-welcome namin to, ha? In behalf of Diva Dings and Manila Eats, we would like to formally welcome you. Welcome.
Hi. What is your name again?
Francis.
Francis, in behalf of my parents, my family and relatives, we would like to welcome you as well in our stage. Welcome.
Francis, in behalf of the LGBTQWXYC++ in Florida, we would like to welcome you. Welcome.
Francis, in behalf of the Republic of the Philippines, we would like to welcome you as well. Welcome.
Francis, in behalf of all the alligators and crocodiles in Florida, we would like to formally welcome you here. Welcome.
Francis, to all COVID survivors, we would like to welcome you here as well. Welcome.
Ayan, group hug na.
Group hug.
Group hug.
Ay, may nalaglag. Kunin mo nga. Yan. Ano ba yan? Ba't ganyan? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ba't lagi nalaglag?
Nahulog mo!
Bakit lagi nalalaglag to? Ay! Ano ba yan?
O, ikaw naman.
Ako ba? Ano ba?
O, may nalaglag. May nalaglag.
May nalaglag. Oh.
Pulutin
Gumanti ka.
Ayan, ito. This
Ito
is
na.
a requested, wag kang mag-alala. Mamaya, isi-share ko sa yung tip. Okay. Ganito lang yun, ha. This is how we're gonna do it. It's an MTV, music video. Everybody knows music video that
Like sa karaoke, videoke.
yeah, there's an acting.
Acting while the lyrics
Someone
are
is
going.
singing.
Yes.
While he's singing the song, we will do some acting. It's very simple. You don't have to sing. Just follow just go with the flow. The story is, we met in a bus station. Kanino to?
Kay ate.
Kanino? MK.
Anong MK? Michael Kors?
Marikina Collection. Kaganti rin ako sa'yo, nyeta ka. Okay, we met in a... You just act a little bit, ha? Anyway, lasing ka na naman. Maganda naman ako sa paningin mo?
Oo.
Ba't ikaw? Okay.
So ko lang.
We met, this is the story. This is entitled The Journey of Love. We met in the bus station, okay? You're waiting for the bus. Umakting ka, ha? Kasi kikita mo yan, natatakot. Matakot ka dyan kasi baka mamaya ipakulong ka niyan, ha? Oo, yeah. We met in the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. You're waiting for like this. You do that.
Papara.
You do that too. Papara tayo.
Yan.
Ayan. Ay, wala mo umakting. Palakpakan nyo! Yeah. Yeah. Then, while waiting for the bus, dito ka. Yan, dyan, dito ka. Then you keep looking at me.
Aww.
Because you find me very, very attractive.
Talaga ba?
May problema ka na naman? Ba't ka tumatawa? Lagi ka may problema sa akin, okay. Then, my book fell, okay? Because you're a very gentleman, you are gonna help me slowly, slow motion, you're gonna help me to pick it up. Like that. Yeah.
And you look in the eyes.
And we're gonna look at each other's eyes. Like that. If you wanna kiss me, that's okay. If you enjoyed it, ikaw nang may problema. Okay, ganun ha. Kung gusto mo pang ituloy na sa restroom tayo, ha? Okay, ready?
And that's where it starts.
Then we keep going. Teka
Yes.
muna, asan yung gagamitin ko, Ning?
Nandyan na lahat, madam. Ano to? Ang dami mong request. Wala kang gawa, ano?
Pasensya na po, pasensya na. Okay. Okay. Sige. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the comedic music video entitled The Journey of Love, featuring Francis of Florida.
Palakpakan, everybody!
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is not a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. See,
Tumingin ka bakla.
I believe in every word that you say. I love you all the way. Now I can swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you'll stay till I met you. I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow every day. I love you more each day. Each day. You and I should be together. Can't you see? Can't you see? Till I
Ay, may tao. Hindi pwede. Lock ang sito na gumamit. Thank you so much, Francis.
Kontrabida naman yung nasa restroom. May pag-asa na ako kasi nakapitong beer na yan eh. Baka pumatol na. Oo. Alam mo naman ng mga lalaki, paglasing na yan. Wala na yan pili. Diba? Francis, thank you so much. Francis, I love you. I love you. Yes, yeah. Okay. Ready na. Ito
yung isang utang pa natin.
Ito na, this is the song. Utang natin na...
Bayad na kami sa mga utang, ha?
Oo, bayad na kami. Kanina po itong Michael Kors. Oo.
Hindi, Michael, guess yan.
Ha?
Gucci yan, Gucci yan.
Parang fake. Oo. Joke lang, me. Mukhang mananampal lang.
Nananampal talaga yan.
Oo, yes. Here is the last request, I guess. This is Bohemian Rhapsody.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Bohemian. Everybody applause. This is very difficult song. I'd like to dedicate this song to you.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor man in no sympathy, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. And when the wind blows, doesn't really matter to me.
Change position.
My time has come. Since she was down my spine, more is taking all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gonna leave you behind. Nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go? Sing lang God. Tinagal ang bebe ko. Sing lang God. Bebe ko. Sing lang. Tinagal ang bebe ko. Tinagal ang bebe ko. Tinagal ang bebe mo. No, no, no.
Dollar lang yan, sir. 100 yung binigay niya. $4, nagdadagdagan pa. Tigda dollar.
Anywhere the wind blows.
Dalawa lang. Masasaya silang grupo eh.
Damihan mo.
Damihan natin. Tatlo.
Lang.
Nawala na.
Tatlo.
Tatlo. Ayan. Kasi dahil masaya kayo, bibigyan namin kayo ng fireworks.
Tatlo lang?
5! 5 na, di ba?
Ay, mahaba yung dulo ha.
Kaya mo yan.
5?
Deserving sila niyan.
Parang pumutok na.
Watusi yun, tanga. Watusi yun.
Parang pumutok na.
Baba mo. Okay, gawin mo. Oh, ikaw ang kumita eh.
Ba't isa lang?
Isa lang?
Isa lang?
Isa.
Damihan mo. Oh. Sige pa. Damihan mo.
O, yung pinuka ko nalalaglag. Oo. Oh. 6.
6?
Oh, 6.
6 lang?
6 lang.
Sige, patagdagan mo pa.
Dali lang.
Teka lang.
Baka matamaan ng papatak.
Kantahan natin.
Baka tamaan.
Diyos te salve, Maria, ang donasyon ay kailangan, ang magbibigay pagpapalain. Ang hindi magbibigay,
Makakarinig ng masasakit na salita. Kung ayaw nyo na ang pagkain nyo, patugon nyo sa amin, ha? Oh. Yes, sino pa? Dito pa. Thank you, ha? Ang bait nyo. Sino
dahil
pa?
dyan kakantahan namin.
Kayo, yun.
Oo.
Ayan na. Just gonna say thank you so much, ha?
Patay dumaan.
Di pa tayo dumaan doon. Yun yung sister ko na maganda, ha?
Ito dapat. Wala, tapos na ako.
Yes. Ano yung sister ko mga buwaka? You can put the water, sir. Ayan. Diba? Gino, may Yes. Yes.
Tonight we're gonna make everything aside. Within this time, show me some affection.
Thank you, sir.
Sweet memories will last a long, long time.
Get your allowance here.
I want to squeeze you, need you, jumping in.
Wala ka?
And I just can't hide it, no, 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 no. I'm about to lose control and I think
salamat. Let's do a little line dancing. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you, AMC Productions. Emil, Manila Eats. Maraming salamat. Let's do some line dancing, everybody. Come on.
Tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. Don't tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart. Just don't think he'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
Thank you so much, Manila Eats, Veronica, thank you. Cinco Photography, thank you so much. Thank you, Veronica and Manila Eats. Thank you, Cinco Photography.